What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Moonriver, which has pumped up just about 10% in the last 24 hours after today's dip that took place not just on Moonriver but the crypto market, including Bitcoin, which did drop down to about just over $40,000 and right now is slowly recovering. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Moonriver. It has been fluctuating between $25 and $30 over the last couple of days. So is it going to crash down? Is it going to pump back up? What is next? And also looking at its prediction overall in 2024, how high can it go? Is it a crypto worth investing into, or would you rather just avoid it and invest into a different crypto? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I am going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and as usual guys, at the moment we've got the purple line here running across the chart giving us the average value of Moonriver, which is here in purple at just over $20. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at nearly $27, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. But what does this mean for Moonriver? So according to the graph, an overall increase in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. And yes, I do agree with that. I'm expecting it to pump up to just about $30 over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, I'm not expecting any major pumps or anything like that. I'm expecting red candles in between as well. Red and green candles is going to be quite of a wave up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So heading to just under $30 is where I'm expecting Moonriver to be trading at by midday today and today afternoon. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, the blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So more increases in value are expected from Moonriver over the next 7 to 8 days, guys. So by mid next week, Moonriver should essentially be trading again at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. I'm expecting it to potentially head up to just under $35 is what I'm expecting, unless we see another drop in the crypto market like we did earlier today. These things are not expected. That's why I keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market, on what to expect and what to predict. And again, this dip did take a little bit of a hit on the crypto market when it comes to hitting targets. It has delayed it quite a bit, but again, nothing too major because I'm expecting it to recover very soon. So Moonriver should essentially be heading over $30 and between $30 and $35 by mid next week is what my expectations are at the moment. So do expect more green days over the coming days, not just on Moonriver but the crypto market in general. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line, again guys, it is looking a little bit skeptical. The blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Moonriver over the next 6 to 8 weeks. It is expected to hover around $25 and $30. However, that is not what I'm expecting from the crypto. I'm expecting increases, guys, potentially heading over $45 by late March is what I'm expecting. So towards the end of Q1 of this year, I'm expecting Moonriver to be heading over $45 and potentially hitting $50 by April, May, guys. Moonriver should be heading over the $50 mark if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side and if Bitcoin manages to head over $50,000. However, if things do change, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone. However, we did get quite close to the resistance target here back in December, late December. Took a little bit of a hit over the last week or two, and I'm expecting it to pump back up, and essentially by mid-year, guys, we should be trading in the green zone here. So heading over $50, and potentially towards the second half of the year, I am highly expecting Moonriver to be heading over the $100 mark in Q4 of 2024. However, that depends on how the crypto market performs, but as mentioned earlier, I will be keeping you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 100% in the last 24 hours, making it $110 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading volume. Reason for that is it's taken a lot of hits over the last 24 hours and pumped back up in value. So it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view, especially short-term traders are in it right now to buy the dip and then sell it. So imagine you bought it here when it took a dip and then sell it right now. You're still on a profit. However, it is very highly risky when you're into short-term trading. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Moonriver, guys. I'm expecting it to hit $100 towards the very end of the year is what my expectations are. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below. Are you guys expecting Moonriver to hit the $100 mark this year? And if so, what month are you guys expecting it? Or if it can go higher than $100, how high can it go? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and it means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.